So I would have y prime over y plus y prime times e to the x minus y equals e to the x minus y minus 1 over x. What do we do next to help us solve for y prime? Got to factor it out of these two terms, okay? Pull it out front. Decide with the people around you what is left when you factor out a y prime from both of these terms. What would go in here? I know there's a plus, but what would the other two parts be? Wouldn't we have 1 over y? Because again, think about multiplying that back. You'd have 1 over y plus e to the x minus y equals e to the x minus y minus 1 over x. And then last but not least, to solve for y prime, let's divide by all this stuff. So my final derivative would be e to the x minus y minus 1 over x over 1 over y plus e to the x minus y. This one is not under the directions, the same directions as 4 through 7. So again, I'm not going to worry about beautifying this answer because we're just going to use it to find an tangent line in B. Okay, find the equation of a tangent line. So B says, okay, if that is your derivative, if that is your slope, find a tangent line at the point 1, 1. So we've got a point. We need a slope, and that's what our derivative is for, is to help us find the slope. Okay, let's go ahead and plug 1, 1 in there and figure out what is the slope of our tangent line. I ended up with a slope of 0, did you? You plug 1 in for x and 1 in for y, and you end up with e to the 1 minus 1. Remember, that's e to the 0 power, which is 1, not 0. Okay, minus 1 over 1, which is still 1. And then on the bottom, again, 1 over 1 is 1, plus e to the 1 minus 1, e to the 0 is 1. So you end up with 0 on top, which is 0. Okay, some of you might be able to take a shortcut to your equation then. All right, but if your slope is 0, what kind of a line do you have, horizontal or vertical? Nope. Horizontal. If your point 1, 1 is right here, your equation would look like this if it has a slope of 0. Okay, I just say that again because some people might be able to jump to the shortcut. Y equals 1 is your equation. Okay. Otherwise, we can plug into y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Okay. And this whole side, 0 times that whole side makes 0. And you add 1 to both sides, and y equals 1 would be the equation of the tangent line. But for horizontal and vertical, you should be able to take some shortcuts there.